Okushomesa oku kube kugenderire kuhugura abantu ba burijo abarikukora omurimo gw'okutimba eby'obwinga by'omwitaka kumanya ko gavumenti eriyo neyongera sente omu by'emishuburo yaabo. Okwegyesibwa oku kubaire kwebemberwa abahangu kuruga omu minisitule y'eby'obwinga bw'omwitaka bebemberwa Agnes Araba ori omuhwezi wa komishona. Abandi ababaire bari omu kutendekwa oku babaire barimu omujwekyeru wa purezidenti hamwe n'abarikukorera abakozi aha disitulikiti ya Ntungamo n'ezindi ezirikutimbwamu eby'obwinga nka Isingiro hamwe na Buhweju. Omu bigambo bye Agnes Araba ayebarize disitulikiti ya Ntungamo ahabw'omurimo gw'amaani ogwekozire omu kushoronzya gye akatare k'eby'obwinga by'omwitaka.
As much as you are privileged and you're thanking us for bringing this facility here, is because you accepted us to use this land, and therefore we want to thank you so much.
Agarukire yashoborera ko akatare aka karikwijja kwongerwamu amaani kahuguke ekyagizire ngu nikija kuhwera abarikutimba kutunga akatare aha beeyi nungi.
Our strategy is to ensure that minerals benefit not only government, they benefit the miners and they benefit the host community. We want to balance between investment and the benefits to the community. There are several benefits that the host community can get, ranging from the infrastructure that will arise out of the minerals being extracted.
Kagege Mariam Mugisha uri RDC wa Ntungamo ashabira abona barikutimba omu kicweka kya Ruhama omu disitulikiti egi okuteekamu amaani kandi bakakunda n'omurimo gwabo.
Mureke tukore association zitu ahabwokuba omwe kwakureta kiri 5 ondije yareta 8 zezo wasigitaho zaba 30 then wareba akatara kakubakine noza kushanga nyinchakare wafuna muti esente empango.
Wechiza Federals urukorera abakozi omu disitulikiti yemwe asimire gavumenti ahabwo kutorana Ntungamo kuba niyo yazamu akatare ako nokwe kushaba abanyantungamo kukoresa omugisha ogu bakatungura amaka gabo.
But this is one of them. I want to thank the ministry for selecting Ntungamo district and giving us this beautiful facility. Let's grant the ministry for that. You could have chosen Buhweju, you could have chosen any other district, but as a district we are privileged and we are so happy. And that's why I personally had that heart to participate in making sure that this land is secured for this very purpose.
Ebino omugisha Deus Dedent omwe omu batimbi b'eby'obwinga by'omwitaka ashobora bimwe ha bizibu ebarikubugana omu kukora omurimo ogu.
Gavumenti aterjeyo gye nk'okweyatiraho